How to create a Workana account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up a new account. First of all, you must go to this website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right top, you can see this three line icon. Simply tap on this three line icon and here tap on sign up. So basically this is the place where you can create a new account. So here select a reason why you want to create an account. So here I'm tapping on one and simply tap on next. So this is the login page. Here you can find different options through which you can create a new account. So here I'm tapping on continue with Google because it's better and later all your data will be saved too. So select the account with which you want to log in and simply hit on continue. So it will set up different things and you can start building your profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.